Have you ever had the desire to learn how to meditate, to discover the more meaningful you? How about leading your life on a path towards a practice for personal growth? Okay, so we're starting from the fan to the back posture. You're going to protect your head with your left hand, make a 50 right, and elbow strike forward. Now at lesson 2, section 2, lesson 8, lesson 11, back to the grasping the sparrow's tail. This left foot here has to turn out first. Then you're going to shift back by tucking your left hip back. Your hands raised up at this point. Now you should be balanced on your left leg. See how it's shifted on my left side? Go all the way around to the left, then I come back the other half, shifting to my right. Drop my right elbow, push and grasp. You're going to turn your left foot in as far as you can. Drop the left hand and go into the guitar posture at 45 degrees to the left. Palm block the left hand, square your hips, and advance forward with the right fist. One more time. Be still like a mountain, move like a great river. Come train with us at the Seacoast Tai-Chi Chuan Institute.